Welcome to This Week in Astronomy, brought to you by Celestron, the world's leading manufacturer of telescopes. I'm Dave Eicher, editor of Astronomy, and last week we talked about a couple of bright nebulae. Well, hey, we're going to do it again. This time we're going to talk about the Eagle Nebula and the Omega Nebula, both really bright star-forming regions in the Milky Way galaxy. They're situated really nicely now in the evening sky at this time of year. These are two more examples of great hydrogen clouds that are coming down and condensing into new generations of infant stars. You can see open star clusters associated with them, and if you have binoculars or a small telescope, you can detect these objects. Of course, the larger the telescope you have, the more detail you'll see. The Eagle Nebula has a little bit of a low surface brightness. It can be a little bit challenging to observers with small scopes. You need a really dark sky, but it has a very famous feature, these dark fingers of nebulosity called the pillars of creation from that famous Hubble Space Telescope shot of many years ago. You can see the Omega Nebula more easily nearby in Sagittarius because it has a really high surface brightness, a bar of very bright nebulosity and some stuff coming off of it. It's really easy to see. It's a little bit more distant than the Eagle, and these are close by together in the sky, two contrasting examples of new generations of stars being born in the Milky Way galaxy. So get a moonless night, get away from city lights, get out there with your binoculars or Celestron telescope, and go after a couple of the greatest bright nebulae in our part of the Milky Way galaxy. I'll see you next time.